Hello everybody, so today we're going to be talking about slope-intercept form, which I'm sure you've all heard of before, and that is y equals mx plus b. And I'm going to keep this equation over here for a little bit, but that is the most common form you're going to see things in, especially for linear equations. There's another form called point-slope form, but this one is much more common, and I like it a lot more. I think you will too. So this is wonderfully laid out because we've got y, which is just any point of y on the line, and then x right here chilling, which is any point of x on the line, and then m and b are special things. So m is going to be our slope, which is the rate of change. So how much are we going up every time we go 1 over? Or how much are we going up every time we go 2 over, etc. And that's our slope. And then b is going to be our y-intercept. So I've got a line plotted for us here, and it is y equals 3x plus 2. And as you can see, the line is crossing the y-axis at 0, 2, the point 0, 2. So what that means is that this is the y-intercept because it is 0 over and 2 up, and it is where the line intersects the y-axis. So that is going to be the b in our equation. And then we've got our slope here, which is 3, which just means that every single time we go over 1, we're going to go 3 places up, okay? So, and that I went over 2 and 6 places up. So if I were to go over 1, we would go here and then boom, boom, boom to here. Nice little 5. But this is the standard way we're going to see most of our simpler linear equations. So don't get too tripped up if you see something like if we were to see y minus 2 equals 3x, that is not in the slope-intercept form, but can be easily changed into it. So manipulate your equation until you get it into this y equals mx plus b form. And if it's not working, chances are good you're supposed to be doing point-slope form, which we will talk about later. All right, hope this video was helpful. This is slope-intercept form, and make sure that you are remembering this equation because it is super important and super helpful.